Hello guys, welcome back. This is Math and Tech Coder, and if you have not subscribed, ensure that you subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any tutorial. So in this tutorial, we are going to learn about HTML headings, HTML horizontal rules, and line breaks. Ensure that you follow up so that you don't miss any. So let's start with heading elements. We have different types of heading elements. We have H1, H2, H3 all the way to H6, and these headings have they are totally different in their appearance. So let's see the difference between them. So I'm going to learn something using or any message using H1. So I'm going to type in H1. So I'm going to enter a message like this is head 1. So I'm going to run this code using live server, and first of all I'm going to save this file, and then I'm going to run it with a right server. So this is our heading word. So you can see that it seems like it's an title. So I'm going back to my VS Studio Code, and I'm going to learn H2 and see what's the difference between this stuff. I'm going to enter a message and so once I save my file and then I go back to, you can see there is a difference between head 1 and head 2, and you can see that head 1 is a bit larger compared to head 2. So I'm going to enter these headings from H1 to H2 and see the difference. So once I save this file, we are going to see the difference between them. So actually you can see that head 1, head 2, head 3, head 4, head 5 up to head 6, they go in a level. Head 1 is bigger than head 2, head 2 is bigger than head 3, head 3 is bigger than head 4, and so on and so on. So this is our heading. Most of the cases you see that this head 1 is mostly used for giving titles. Maybe head 2 can be used to give subtitles, and head 3 and so on. Back to our Visual Studio Code. Okay, we are going to see how HTML horizontal rules are used. So horizontal rules are used to separate content in HTML page, and it's abbreviated as HR. This is is an inline element, which means that it's safe. It doesn't have a closing tag. It's just itself, which is abbreviated by HR. So let's see what changes it makes. Let's say you want to say like I'm going to create a heading 1 and say like something like, my name is Math Encoder. My name is Math Tech Coder. So let's say you want to break this line. We say is a horizontal rule. So you want to make it's like a line. So you have to, you say like, once I enter my HR or the horizontal rule here, which is abbreviated as HR itself, like that. So I'm going to say something like, let's run this code and see what it gives us. So I'm going to save this file, and you can see this is what we call a horizontal rule. It actually separates the content in HTML page. You see, I have separated by my name is, or the upper HTML part of it. It's separated with this rule. So that's what HTML horizontal rule. So I hope you learned new things. So ensure that you subscribe, like, share, comment, write your opinion. I would like to hear what your opinion, what should I improve in next lesson. We are going to learn more and more about web development. Thank you.